Greetings. Let's create a templated dashboard. So I'm in Analytics Studio and inside my DTC Sales app. Click on Create Dashboard and you'll see we are presented with two options, blank dashboard and dashboard from template. Go ahead and select template here and you're presented with multiple dashboard templates. Let's select the one that says table expansion. Now, the idea behind a templated dashboard is instead of you building the dashboard ground up with all the widgets, pages, filters, and so forth, you have something ready-made. All you have to do is feed it the data. So first we selected the template. Now let's be sure to feed it the right data. So I'm going to first select the data set and I'll select dimensions. I can choose anywhere from 2 to 6 dimensions. So the first one I'm going to select is the opportunity type and then the account type. I'm going to select opportunity name next, and then the next thing is stage, billing country, and account name. Right, so we have our 6 dimensions selected. You can select up to 4 measures. We'll select the amount measure, and for date, let's select close date. All right, so we have made our selections. Now we are ready to generate a dashboard. Let's give it a name. So I'm going to say my DTC templated dashboard. Go ahead and click on create. All right, now you're presented with a dashboard that has the KPIs at the top, some key charts in the middle, and then you have a detailed table. If you're going to preview mode, which is how an end user would see the dashboard, you can click on open under the details tab and you'll be able to see a lot more records and it takes up the whole page. And if you want to navigate back to the main page, you can click on close. So this uses the concept of pages. So if I click on edit mode, you'll see the 2 pages that the dashboard has. So this is the table expansion. So you have a table here with few columns, few rows, and then when you go to the expansion, you'll see more information. So that's the basic idea. Now what we can do is, of course, this is the template dashboard. It gives us the essential features we need, but if you want to modify, you can of course do that. So first we'll add a date filter. So date is its own widget. We'll go ahead and select close date. And then we'll select a list filter, and this list filter will be for the opportunity owner. The other thing that we want to do is when I click on preview, of course, you can select the opportunities we want and everything changes. So this revenue is specific to this particular owner. I can select the year, it filters it further. What if I want this to be a year to date filter? We don't want this to change regardless of what you're selecting here. Okay, so what we can do is I can go into edit, select the revenue amount, not the label, go into query, and we'll say don't apply global filters, or maybe apply global filters where you allow them just to select the labels but don't facet it. We'll exclude the faceting from the 2 queries, opportunity owner and close date. We'll select these 2 so these no longer impact us. Click on OK. Let's preview. And when you select the Catherine, it does not change. Same thing with current fiscal year, no changes. Okay, so you can restrict it to be using either a subset of the filters or no filters at all. Okay. Just so you can differentiate between the standard revenue and the revenue year to date, we'll click on the label and we'll change it to YTD. Click on save and you're all set. Thank you for watching.